Wake up, wake up, wake up. Let's go have breakfast. We're gonna go swimming. Good morning. Kiss Mama.
It's just downstairs.
Good morning, kiss Mama. No.
I didn't know what AJ was.
Alright guys, let's go to the swimming. I'll show you which the swimming is. Thank you, Tita Jenny, for my bag.
Noah's Ark, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi guys, we're going to Noah's Ark. It's 2 miles from where we are right now. Oh, Mommy, look at a new thing.
Yeah.
That one.
We call that salvavida. We call that salvavida.
Go swimming, guys.
Are you excited?
Nope. What was that? Wow.
Yumi. Ah! Yumi. What happened?
I was under the water.
You were?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
How did it feel?
I'm good.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
I think the morning under the bar with me. Right. Here, it's so common to go have a burger. Yeah. Here, that I'm not even thinking here.
Good?
I mean,
liit ng bulilit. Ang liit. Kiss mama. One more. Love you. Are you driving?
It is tiny pizza.
It's for you.
Yeah,
Like your size.
yeah.